Amazfit fans in India, mark your calendars, because the much-anticipated Amazfit Active 2 smartwatch is officially launching on April 22nd, 2025, as confirmed in the latest tweet by the company. And it's bringing with it a stylish design, powerful features, and incredible performance that mirrors its global variant. First unveiled at CES 2025, the Amazfit Active 2 has already gained international praise, and now Indian users will get to experience it firsthand. Let's start with the design. The watch flaunts a sleek 1.32-inch circular AMOLED display with a crisp 60 Hz refresh rate and an impressive 2000 nits of peak brightness, all protected by durable sapphire glass, making it not only vibrant but also tough enough for daily wear and tear. With a slim 9.2mm profile, users can choose between elegant leather straps or sporty silicone bands, depending on their style. Under the hood, the Active 2 runs on Zepp OS 4.5 and works seamlessly with the Zepp app, offering an incredibly smooth and personalized smartwatch experience. Fitness lovers will be thrilled to know that it includes 160 preset sports modes and over 400 customizable watch faces, letting you truly make it your own. Water resistance is rated at 5 ATM, so it's ready for a swim, a shower, or a sudden rainstorm. But there's more. The Amazfit Active 2 goes beyond being just a smartwatch, offering Bluetooth calling, an AI assistant named Zepp Flow, and built-in GPS for accurate route tracking without needing your phone. Health tracking is a major win here. The device is equipped with the advanced BioTracker 6.0 ppg biosensor, which monitors your heart rate, breathing rate, and SpO2 levels, ensuring your wellness is always a glance away. It also includes a sleep tracker and a menstrual cycle tracker, making it one of the most inclusive and comprehensive wearables on the market today. And let's talk battery. The Indian variant of the Amazfit Active 2 promises an impressive 10 days of battery life under normal usage. For heavy users, it still offers a solid 5 days, and for those constantly using GPS, you can expect up to 21 hours of uninterrupted performance, which is perfect for long hikes, bike rides, or marathon runs. The smartwatch will be available for purchase through Amazon India via a dedicated microsite, making it easily accessible to tech enthusiasts across the country. With the smartwatch market heating up in India, Amazfit is clearly making a bold move by bringing a globally acclaimed product to a price-sensitive yet feature-demanding market. From casual users who want a stylish timepiece, to fitness enthusiasts tracking their every move, to professionals who need smart features on the go, the Active 2 checks every box. So, whether you're upgrading from an older model or buy your first smartwatch, the Amazfit Active 2 is set to be a top contender in 2025. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and the latest in wearable tech. Only here on TechVerse.